it's Marina from Say Something Crafty. I'm here to do a project share with you. This is another one of the large journals that I made, and it is about 12 by 9. Just like the pink one, this one is also about 12 by 9. I really like this fabric. I found it in the remnants section at Joann's, so I had to get it. I have some trim on the side, and I have a little charm bead that I made, and this is a vintage jewelry piece here. And I have some metallic ribbon here, and then I layered it with some vintage lace, and then I put some trim on here. And I did some more layering up here as well. And that is the back. So pretty. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and go inside and do a flip through. This inside fabric is one I got from Lori, just a girl from the Bay. Thank you, Lori. And this altered envelope I did a while ago, and I did some decoupaging, sewing on some trims, and embossing. And so I just have a little envelope here with a piece of ephemera inside, some Tim Holtz ephemera, and a book page. And that just goes in here. And then I have some more ephemera clipped up in this corner. Some coffee dyed pages, some Europe illustrated pages. Oh my god. Okay. There's a critter on my wall. Oh my god. Don't do that. Don't come over here. Oh man. No, it's a dead critter now. It was a silverfish. They really creeped me out, and it was a big one. Okay. Here is a page from Stepping Stones to Happiness, some ephemera in there. I love this paper, it's so pretty. And some music paper. And another page from Stepping Stones to Happiness. I really love this image. And just some more ephemera. There's a pocket here with a weekly time card and some Tim Holtz wallpaper. I love this wallpaper. The texture is really nice. And here's a photo sleeve and just some Tim Holtz ephemera I clipped on. There's a vintage flash card and some more of Tim Holtz. Another book page from the Stepping Stones of Happiness. I really love that book, and I'm actually running out of pages, so that's a good and a bad thing. There's some coffee dyed paper that I cut down for note paper, and then some more note cards. Siblings playing a game. I think it's adorable. And then that's the back. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will have this in my Etsy shop here soon. I hope you're all doing well, and I will see you next time.